Hi everyone, Mark Heinlein with the National Tile Contractors Association. I'm here to remind you that now is the time to complete your nominations and applications for the 2020 NTCA Craftsperson of the Year Awards. Last year's award winner, Callewaert, is a terrific craftsperson. Becky Serban and I have gotten the chance to work with Lee and get to know him and his family and his entire staff. What a great representative of the tile industry. Now is your turn. We have two categories this year. We have a residential category and a commercial category. There will be two awardees for the 2020 NTCA Craftsperson of the Year Award. What you need to do is make it a priority today. Go on to the NTCA website and find About NTCA and then select Honors and Awards. And you'll find the application itself. Then you'll find the instructions for the submission. Fill out the application, get it submitted by June 19th. That's the deadline. Submit that, and the awardees will be announced this coming October at Total Solutions Plus in Indian Wells, California. We are really looking forward to meeting the 2020 awardees at Indian Wells. It's going to be an excellent award again this year. So thank you for listening. Make it a priority today. Get those applications and nominations in now, and don't miss out on the 2020 NTCA Craftsperson of the Year Award.